Hi guys, so in the previous video you saw I got plastering done, so we're gonna jump on to the bathroom today and get all of the plasterboarding, stud wall, and then I'll probably carry on the video till it's fully plastered, so you guys can get one video of that. Yeah, like I said in the last video, the videos are spaced out a little bit more because I've had work in the other apartment for Fred's granddad's that had been messed up by the other guy. But yeah, sorted that all out now, and hopefully I'll be getting back on to twice a week videos like before. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a like and subscribe, and I'll crack on.
Somehow, did you get away somehow?
it's all skimmed pretty much in here. Ceiling, walls, I've got to fill that. I haven't skimmed this wall here yet. Basically the plumber's going to come today or tomorrow and fit the shower tray in place, so down there, and once that's done I can wrap round the habito board for the shower around this concrete post here, and then yeah, I don't need to plaster it all the way around because it'll be tiled, but this wall here needs to be tiled. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Like I say, give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.